Welcome to the first demonstration of Raspberry Pi based text-to-speech conversation and object detection and classification for the blind persons. So here the main input of this project is Pi camera. So the main application of this project is it will capture the images in front of this camera, and based on the selection it will extract the text when we select the text switch, and if we detect the objects and classify the objects when we select this switch. So after object classification, the so-called detected objects will be announced through these speakers. And while we are extracting the text using the Tesseract optical character recognition engine, Raspberry Pi will extract the text and announce the text from the captured image, and the announce will be done through the same speakers. So here the main input is Pi camera, and the image processing will be done with the help of this Raspberry Pi 3B+, and the selection will be done with the help of these two switches. So initially we need to load the operating system, the Raspbian OS, into the 32GB class 10 memory card. After loading the OS, then we will code the project requirements in Python language, and for that code we need to install the OpenCV and the eSpeak module for the voice announcements, and the Tesseract OCR for optical character recognition. After installation of this, we are coding the system with initially reading from the selection switches, and then it will capture the image. For every image capturing, we can see the light indication on the Pi camera here. And then after that, based on the selection, it will go with the text extraction with the help of Tesseract OCR, object classification with the help of OpenCV. So here we have connected that speakers to the 3.5mm jack along with power supply for this speakers, and the whole system getting power supply from this adapter. So which will take 230 volts AC inputs and provide as a 5 volts DC output, as the operating voltage for Raspberry Pi is 5 volts. Right, now once we on the power supply to this Raspberry Pi, it will start booting the operating system from the memory card. So once the booting successfully done, then the system will announce the welcome message from the speakers. So once the welcome message announced, then we can provide the input to the Raspberry Pi from these two switches. So it will take around 25 to 30 seconds for the booting to the OS. Right. So let us place the text. So based on the text size, it will take the time for the extraction of the text. So just I'm placing this as input and place that at a distance of 1 feet maximum, and after that you can select the switch. So we can see the light got switched on and it is capturing that. So after around 5 to 10 seconds, if the system doesn't announce the voice from the speakers as indication of the image was not captured properly, then you can press the switch again. So if when we pressing the switch, if there is no input from this camera, then the system is doing processing.
Classification for persons. Worldwide there are 340 million visually impaired people, and blind 0 million of visual impairment, which was released by World Health Organization. Facts regarding blindness. Reading is obviously necessary in today's society, appears everywhere in the form of receipts, bank statements, reports, classroom notes, product labels, instructions on medicine bottles, etc. The blind people cannot read the text on printed papers, and the
right. So this image was not captured. Only till this the image captured and voice announced. And coming to the object classification, just place this for any scenario, and in front of that. So next press this switch object, and the image captured chair,
table, table.
So how many chairs were identified? So the total number of chairs will be announced. Right. So if the persons are there in front of this,
person,
right,
chair, table, chair,
right. So we can make this system portable by connecting the power bank into this and make this as a very portable manner along with the earphones also. We can replace the speakers with the earphones in real time presentation.